Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, this is going to be another head wrap video, and I'm excited because I am going to be using my culture hijab head wraps that you've probably seen in my other videos. I absolutely love these head wraps. They are super cute, super chic, and they also get my styles that I'm trying to achieve done. Normally when I do my videos, I usually do like a couple styles in one video, but I decided this time around I'm going to do one style for each video, just so it's spread out and you can see each step properly and figure out if this is the style you want to do. As you can see, I do have my clip-ins in, and eventually in the other videos you will see that I will remove the bangs because some styles don't require that. But right now what we're going to do is grab our scarf. So this is a silk scarf that I got from Culture Hijab, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a triangle with it. I'm not gonna necessarily bring it all the way down, but actually no, I'm gonna bring it all the way down. And then now what I'm gonna do is fold it one more time. So now it should look like this. So once you have it just like this, what you're going to do is place that over your head. I'm gonna place the scarf in the middle part of my head, so it's covering a little bit of my bangs but not fully. And simple, you're just gonna tie it in the back, just like so. And then I'm going to bring it around. Literally leave it tied just like that. Now, if this is a style that you like where you want to leave your hair up, you could definitely leave it up. I'm going to take mine down. Now also, if you didn't want to rock it on the top, you can easily just let it like hang in the back like so. So I'm gonna double it so it doesn't come undone. Even if you want to shift it maybe and like do it to the side, you can definitely do that. Alrighty guys, well that's it for this video. I told you that this was going to be super easy, right? So I will make sure to put all the information for this headscarf, well this hijab, in the description area so you can check it out for yourself. And then stay tuned for my second video showing you another head wrap style. So definitely be on the lookout for that. But other than that, thanks for stopping by. Mwah! Bye guys!